like Halloween is coming. I'm on my way to see the animals. There's a cute goat farm that I like to go to. And we're gonna go say hi to some goats. Here at the goat farm, this is one of the goats. Isn't it so cute? This is one of my favorite places. It's very peaceful and relaxing here. I like to say hi to all the animals. They're really cute. This is my friend here. We'll call him Carlos. He's saying hi. I'm currently here at the goat farm. You can hear the chickens in the background and you can also see the goats. It's a little bit loud here, but the animals are really cute. Hi guys! Hi! Look at their little tails wag a little bit. They're eating right now. And this one is basking in the sun. It's very relaxed. There's a variety of birds. We have this blue peacock right there. Very nice. We have a white peacock over there amongst all the chickens. The peacocks must think that they're the queens of this place. They're the prettiest birds. We found some baby birds over here. Very cute. Welcome to the world, little babies. Got done seeing the animals. I love going to see them. They're really cute. They always come up to me and they're very happy to see me, and I'm always happy to see them. That was the goat farm. It's always a good time going there. Now I'm on the road again and I'm in search for fall decorations. I'm going to see if there's any pumpkins out and about. Here at the garden center, I found a bunch of fall decorations. They're really pretty. I'm going to go look around and have some fun. The weather got a little bit colder. And do you smell that in the air? Halloween is coming. Look at these lovely fall flowers. Beautiful. Scarecrows. Those are really cute. It's a little bit windy, but I can feel the fall weather. It's in the air. And I love fall. It's my favorite season. I'm very excited for Halloween. All the fall decorations, I found this really beautiful dress. This dress looks like if you were out in an enchanted forest. It's really cool and it's a fun Halloween decoration, I guess. It's a little spooky. But I love seeing all the fall decorations. I love all the pumpkins and the leaves. Everything is really cool here. This looks like something you'd see on Project Runway. Design it. I found some really beautiful flowers. You always have to stop and smell the flowers, so let's smell them. Oh, they smell good. I'm wearing a sunflower shirt and I match my mailbox. Isn't that cool? We're twins. Just got done looking at all of the beautiful fall decorations. I'm glad we went to the garden center. It was really pretty in there. I love seeing all the pumpkins out. I'm back home now. I had a lovely day. I got to see the goats. I saw a lot of beautiful fall decorations. I'm very excited that the fall season is upon us. That was my peaceful, relaxing day. And now I'm going to go hang out, watch TV, and wind down. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.